Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So which fuses we need to check for the central locking, guys? We're going to demonstrate on 2017 Honda Civic right here. If you go in the driver's side on your Honda Civic, guys, right under the dash right here, if you look upside down, okay, you look right there, you're going to see now, guys, okay, a fuse box that looks, let me show you, when you open it, it will look just like this one. Okay, so if you get your head upside down there, you'll see the fuse box that looks like that. Now, let's explain which fuse you need to check here specifically. It could be multiple fuses, guys. We're going to start, but before we do that, let me tell you why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So right here, the first fuse that we'll need to check for central locking will be in that row right here, the first row. It says 1 on this side, 13 on that one. The fuse that we need to check first is fuse number 2, that 5M fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 12 right here, fuse number 13, okay? Then we have, guys, more fuses that we need to check. We need to check fuse number 16. If you come in this row here, it will be fuse number, so that's 14, 15, 16. That 20 amp fuse right here. So this fuse, this one here, and you have these two fuses that you need to check for central lock. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.